Welcome to Idea Shalon, part 9 of SQL video series. I am Ganesh. In our previous video, we have discussed about the AND and OR operators. And in this video, we will discuss about how to write queries using in and between keywords. My requirement is to retrieve the male and female employees from the employee table. So how do we write a query for this? Let me copy this query. Select star from employee where gender type equal to M and gender type equal to F. I'm executing it. Oh, I have used an AND operator. An employee cannot be both male and female. So that's why there is no record retrieved. Let me change this to OR. I'm executing it now after changing to OR operator. Now the results are retrieved. This is one way of writing the query. Alternatively, we can achieve the same scenario in other way. It's very simple. I'm copying the query again. Gender type equals to M. Okay. I'm removing this one. I'm replacing the equal to sign with in operator. So after the in keyword, I'm adding M and F within brackets. In the previous query, if you look, we have specified the gender type field 2 times. And if you look at this query, we have simplified it by adding the gender type field only once. And if you look at this result set, this also retrieved the same as before, where the employees are either male or female. This is the usage of in keyword. Okay. So in this example, we have retrieved either male or female employees. Since there are only 2 possibilities of gender, we have easily implemented using M or F. If in case we have 100 possibilities, let's say. So what we would have done? As an example, let's assume there can be employees in my employee table of age starting from 20 years to 60 years. So if we want to retrieve the employees having age starting from 20 up to 60 and achieving it using an in keyword would not be realistic and time consuming. We can do that and no one will object us. But that is not preferable. In order to overcome that, we can use between keyword. Let's see how to use that in our query. I'm copying till here from this query. Select star from employee where age between, so I want between 30 and 40, so I'm using between keyword 30 and 40. So I'm using an AND keyword here, selecting this and executing it. If you look at the result set, male and female employees are retrieved. And if you notice the age, they are between 30 to 40 years, which is expected. This is the purpose of the between keyword. So in short, we can use in keyword when there are very limited possibilities. In this case, we have only 2 possibilities like male or female. So we can use in keyword. Whereas when we have many possibilities, for example, select the employees between age 30 to 40. So instead of giving the comma separated values from 30 to 40, we can simply use this between keyword and can easily achieve the same result. If you find this video useful, I suggest you to share this with your friends and colleagues. That's the end of the video. Thank you.